So I've got my cordless chainsaw here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that comes with. Then we're going to go over the features of this. And then I've got some logs in my backyard. You can see here I got quite a few trees. I'm going to go ahead and give you a demo and then just see how it works. So when you do get it, you are going to get a nice case here. It's all hardened plastic. Got a couple of locks right here, so it's plenty to store everything in there really nice. It also comes with a file to go ahead and sharpen the blade if you need to. We do have some safety glasses. We've got two batteries, 18.5 volts, lithium ion, and it also has a charger. When it's charging up, it's going to be red, and then when it's completely charged, it's going to turn green. We also have two blades. This is an 8-inch, so we've got one that's already on the chainsaw, and then it comes with an additional blade right here, and then we've got a scabbard right here to go ahead and protect that and keep it from getting damaged and from you actually getting maybe scratched for the blade itself. It also does come with some gloves here. These are just lined with some rubber here. And I wear like a medium to large, and they fit me just fine. Of course, now we've got the chainsaw itself. So we've got that 8-inch blade right here. You can go ahead and replace the blade it's toolless. All you're going to do is just loosen that up. You can also tighten this with it also. And then we've also got a couple of safety features. One is we do have a button right here. So when you're pressing the trigger down, it's not going to move unless you press that in at the same time. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our oil right here and press the bubble a few times to go ahead and make sure there's plenty of oil on the chainsaw itself. Now it does have a hand guard here, so that way your hand's going to be behind that from any wood chips that follow. And to go ahead and put in our battery, just pops in there just like that. I'm going to go ahead and press this. Works fantastic. So let's go ahead and head over to the backyard and give it a try. So before I cut, I'm going to go ahead and just pump this bulb a little bit so I can get some oil flowing up here on the bar, and then I'm ready to go. Cuts it with ease. This is so much better for me than having a gas-powered chainsaw, because of course, you can use it one-handed. You can cut any limbs, any stumps, anything like that. All I need is two batteries, and I'm ready to go out and cut in my backyard here for quite a while, probably about a couple hours or so. I'm real happy with it, super easy to use, and I hope you found this helpful.